Well, all right. So we are back after our perfect installation of the Google Pixel Whitestone Dome glass. I highly recommend this, man. Has to be the best screen protector you can find, tempered glass for the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Look at it. It's in a case. Let me take it out real quick. You can see here the installation came out perfecto. So curved displays are like the worst when it comes to tempered glass protectors. Until you meet the Whitestone Dome, then you're good. So you can see it's a curved edge all the way around, and the installation was pretty nice. And not only that, but check it out. Fingerprint reader works, no issues. I just went ahead and installed this, and you can see fingerprint reader works. Now let's see if my beloved left thumb over here, which the Google Pixel never likes. Oh, so it's working. It's working. So it's kind of buggy with this thumb, but when this one over here, my right thumb, is a breeze. Yeah, there you have it. Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector. I highly recommend this if you want to keep your Pixel 6 Pro in pristine condition, and it works great with 2D Emerge, which I tested it. Fits on there nice, and also the Google case fits on there perfectly well. They recommend that you try to not use a case for about 24 hours so that it cures real good, but man, it's that good. So yeah. Did that just unlock with my thumb rubbing? Oh, okay, there you go. Yeah, it's that good. We out.